Hello and welcome to Adventures in Etymology on Radio Omniglot. I'm Simon Ager, and this adventure is an assembly of words about the word thing, or something like that. Meanings of thing include that which is considered to exist as a separate entity, object, quality, or concept, a word, symbol, sign, or other referent that can be used to refer to any entity, or an individual object or distinct entity. Other meanings are available. It comes from Middle English thing, meaning thing, substance, object, from Old English thing, meaning thing, matter, concern, event, meeting, court, case, reason, or means, from Proto-West Germanic thing, meaning court, session, lawsuit, affair, matter, thing, or object, from Proto-Germanic thingol, meaning time, date, meeting, assembly, council, case, matter, or issue, from Proto-Indo-European tinkol, from tink, meaning to be suitable. So its meaning changed from being suitable to a suitable or scheduled time, to an assembly, to a specific issue discussed at an assembly, to issues, objects, or things in general, which is quite something. There are related words in other Germanic languages that also mean thing and other things. For example,
Ding,
which means matter or thing in Dutch,
Ding,
which means thing, girl, or boy in German, and dingen, which means thing or object in Luxembourgish. However, in Norwegian,
ting,
means thing, court, or assembly,
Ting,
means thing, assembly, or parliament in Danish, and
think,
means assembly, meeting, council, or parliament in Icelandic, and the Parliament of Iceland is called the...
Alþingi,
Other words from the same roots include
Tinka,
meaning quarrel, disagreement, shortage, lack, or tight situation in Finnish,
ting,
meaning to bargain or haggle in Danish,
Finka,
meaning to hold a meeting in Icelandic, dungi, meaning to employ in Esperanto, and
gedeihen.
meaning to thrive, flourish, or prosper in German. You can find a transcript of this podcast, links to further information, and other podcasts at radio.omniglot.com. Thank you for listening and or watching, and goodbye.